time, it will be like yellow. Cooking food for my children. That's good.
Good.
Hey, I'm Sebastian, and welcome to the kitchen.
Hey, welcome to Krispie King, starring my friend Sebastian. Yeah, baby, Sebastian is ready for game day. It's game day. Yes, sir.
My name is Sebastian Adonis Bedoya, and I am from Cali, Colombia, and I am most excited about is this TV show that I'm going to do today. Welcome to the Krispie King, and it's me, Sebastian, and we're making a Colombian flag with a ball in it, and I'll meet you, Barrio, in the kitchen. I'm nice, and I am handsome person.
All right, Sebastian, what we're going to do is we're going to melt some butter. I need you to cut off 2 tablespoons. Can you do that for me?
2 tablespoons?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2.
There it is. Perfect. This guy knows what to do in the kitchen already. So we're going to cut down 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to melt it, come back, throw in some marshmallows, and get started on our creation.
Well, my favorite movie is Spider-Man 2.
If Spider-Man did a dance move, what dance move would Spider-Man do? What would be his dance move?
It would be like a dance move of Despacito.
You gotta show me. That's the Spider-Man dance move?
Yes.
We're going to pour in 10 ounces of marshmallows today. We're doing a smaller batch because we're going to end up doing 5 different colors. You can just dump them all in there. They won't take it personal. There we go. So what I like to do, Sebastian, is when I make these, I want to mix the marshmallows and the butter together. I want them to all be best friends. They're hanging out with each other. And what happens is the marshmallows work like a sponge. They soak up, they soak up all the butter. What I want you to do is grab this orange food coloring. You got this. Here we go. And how about we put in about 6 drops?
6.
Yeah. So when you turn it upside down, just barely squeeze it. 1. Yep. 2. Okay, that's probably good right there. That's good. I said 6, but a long 2 is more what I was thinking.
Yes, I have brother that is in college. My brother's name is Nicholas Ordonez.
If I said, hey Nicholas, tell me about Sebastian, what would he say?
He say that I'm a good listener and I'm a good worker.
Are you ready to pour in some Rice Krispies?
Yes.
Let's do it. All right, so my guess is today we're going to add between 3 and 4 cups of Rice Krispies, but we want to make sure all the Rice Krispies are covered in orange. Yeah. So go ahead and pour that in. You like to take the bag out of the box. That's your go-to. Is this how you pour cereal at home?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep going. I'll let you know. That's probably good right there. What are we going to do with that bag?
Put it.
Oh, don't put it back in. Okay. I like your technique. And when I push them down off the side, it mixes them underneath. See how I'm doing that? And it takes it. What am I going to do with that? Eat it.
Yeah.
You down with that?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. You have to use your muscle. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So I'll hold this up. You want to scrape them in?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, you want to take a bite of that right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, get you some. That's what I'm talking about. How's it taste?
Good.
Oh, we got more where that came from.
I go to Strive, and I work in Kroger, and in Kroger I work in the bakery, baking cookies in the bakery, putting the cookies on a cookie sheet, like 6 rows of apart, and then we put it into the oven, and then we take them out and we put it in the freezer, and then we package them.
Well, when do you get to eat them?
During lunch.
All right, let's pour in some marshmallows.
Yeah.
Let's get this party going.
Yeah.
I want to get to the fun stuff, which is shaping it.
Shit.
But this is kind of fun too. You want to mix them together? Good. We've only done one batch. He's already soaked in the information. If you're looking to hire somebody like Sebastian, somebody who you only have to show him how to do it once and then masters it, this guy's a genius. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, it's time to add the black.
The black.
So if you want to open that up, and we'll put in, I don't know, how about 5 drops in there?
Oh man.
Just a little squeeze. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel like you rounded up.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, 6.
My girlfriend's name is Eden.
Now tell me about her.
Well, she's nice, and she loves me, and she's nice. And last time I took her to prom. We danced, we did karaoke, and then we had food, and then we have the balloons, and I was the king master of prom.
That's better than being the Krispie King.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Throw this up.
There you go. Stir it up. Get it fast. Come on. Get that thing. We got to move. And I'm in for Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Do you sing?
No.
No. Well, maybe a little bit.
Maybe a little bit.
So you like Justin Bieber?
Yeah.
Baby, baby, baby.
Oh,
Thought
like
you know
baby mine. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder where you are. Papa was so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Let's go ahead and drop that sucker in.
You tell me, man?
Yeah, I'll tell you when. How about that? That look right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You down with some of that?
Yeah.
Get you some. How we do?
I am gay and talking to her.
What kind of things do y'all like to talk about?
Like getting married, getting a house, getting a car, and getting a job. Getting married means that you need to buy a ring and maybe find a car and maybe find a house.
Now it's time to work on the flag.
The flag.
We finished the orange
The orange and the black.
and the black, and so now it's time to go with
It's time to go with the yellow.
the yellow. All right, great.
We're gonna put the marshmallows in,
Keep talking. Tell them what we're doing.
and we're gonna mix it. Here's the mix. We're gonna mix. We're gonna get the butter. It's time to put the yellow, and let's put
What do you think?
maybe 7.
I like that. That's good. What's your favorite number?
2.
I bet that felt like 7.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, stir it up.
Stir it up, then make it like yellow. Stir it up, it will be 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 like yellow.
All right, let's add some Rice Krispies. I know what you're waiting for. What are you waiting for?
Licking the spatula. Eating the spatula because I love it. That's how people do it.
That's how people do it.
You lick the spatula.
You know what? Just go ahead and lick that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. How we doing the yellow? Whoa! Get in your
Well, my responsibilities, if I've been married, is taking care of the house, taking care of the children, like feeding the children, like food, changing their diaper, and cooking food for my children, and taking them to school every day, and go pick them up and bring them home.
You think you'd be a good dad?
Yes. So the next thing, we already melted the butter. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the marshmallows inside the butter, and we're going to mix it with the butter. So here we go. So we're going to put the royal blue next.
That's good. How many drops are we gonna do?
Maybe 10.
It's gonna be a lot. Hey man, I trust you.
It's hard for me to count money. That it's hard for me to read in my life and to just read. It's hard for me to read a book. Yeah.
Are you working on that?
Yeah.
Are you getting better?
Yeah.
It's good.
Word on the street, you're in the typing club.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me about that.
Well, I get on my laptop,
Okay.
and there's a program called Typing Club.
Okay.
And you practice typing, and you follow the letters.
Yeah. Are you pretty good at it?
Yeah, and you get points.
You like competition?
Yeah.
Okay. I like competition. Maybe we'll have a little competition here in a minute.
Yeah.
You think you can beat me?
Yeah.
What else do y'all do in the typing club?
Well, just practice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who else is in the club?
Just me. My girlfriend Edith
Oh well.
and Cody.
There's nobody. Cody?
Yeah.
Man, I didn't know he could type.
Yeah, you can type.
All right. Actually, I've never met Cody, but I also didn't know he could type.
Why the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Because the chicken needs to cross the road to get to the barnyard side.
So we're gonna mix it up, throw it in, get our last color red going, and then we're gonna create the flag.
We got this.
We got this. Just to let you know, there's really no reason for me to be in the kitchen right now, but it is nice to have someone like Sebastian.
66 minutes.
66 minutes, I love it.
Don't try this at home.
If there were a dance we had to do while we poured in Rice Krispies, I want you to show me while you're pouring it in.
Yeah, we're back in language. Restoring language.
That's good. How about
That's
that?
good.
That's good.
That's good.
That's good.
That's good.
Good, good, good.
That's good, good.
I need to sing more when I'm cooking.
That's good, good.
You make that song up too?
Yeah.
So that's the second song you've ever made
Yeah.
up? Things happen on Cakes and Conversations.
Yep.
You learn new gifts.
Yeah.
You become a singer,
Yeah. Become a singer,
songwriter,
songwriter,
musician,
musician,
cook,
cook,
and creator.
and creator.
You did it all today.
I did all today.
There you go. Good.
Good.
All right, we want to welcome you to the segment we call the King's Games.
King's game.
That's right.
I like to play King's games.
We have to stack 5 marshmallows on top of each other. The first one to get 5 of them stacked
Wins.
without it falling
Wins.
wins.
Okay.
You think you're going to do this?
Yeah, your mark. Get set. Go.
Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, the marshmallow champion of the world, right here at the Kings Games, Sebastian.
So the Columbian flag is 3 colors: bright yellow, a royal blue, and then this red that we're going to put on the bottom. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You got this thing. Now we want to turn that upside down so it looks like the ball. Is that right in the middle? You put it where you want it. You want it right in the middle?
Right here.
I love it.
If you could have any job, what would you want to do?
Well, I would like to work in Kroger.
And what do you want to do at Kroger?
Like working in the bakery.
So the job you have now is the perfect job.
Yep.
Have you been on a basketball team before?
No, I want to.
Yeah, well, why don't you get on one?
I will.
You'd probably be a great team player. I feel like you're like the ultimate team player. You want everybody to do well, don't you? Okay. Or you just want to make this so you can eat it, right? Okay.
With a Colombian flag and a basketball with black stripes on top. If you guys want to go to Colombia with me, just go online and buy your tickets.
And you'll meet him there?
Yes, I'll meet you there.
Sebastian, great job today. We believe that every creation is beautiful and everyone deserves to be treated like royalty. So let's start treating. We'll see you in the kitchen.
Thank you so much for watching me here in the kitchen, and I appreciate it for all you supporters that are watching on TV. And so we're going to post it on YouTube so you guys can watch it. We'll see you back here in the kitchen. Peace out.
If you loved what you saw today, will you make sure you hit that like button? Because when you hit that, it tells other people they ought to be watching it as well.
Yes.
So I want to make sure they do that. And if you want to see more videos like Sebastian doing Cakes and Conversations, you can also hit the subscribe button and it'll send you the next video every time it comes out. Thanks for hanging out with us today in Cakes and Conversations. Cheers.
See ya.